PJ, where do you think we are?
1492?
I think you're right. Check it out. I see Chris Columbus on the horizon.
Hello, Christopher!
He can't hear you. He's in a ship on the horizon. PJ, we're supposed to be in the 40s. We're never gonna get this time machine to work in time.
We will. Because it's January, February. We're gonna be traveling everywhere.
Yeah. Even to yesterday, today, and the future. It's gonna be amazing. What else can we expect at Muskoka Woods, Patrick?
Oh, I would say the usual snow activities. Some skiing, snowshoeing, maybe some tobogganing, snow football, maybe even some indoor basketball.
Sounds incredible. We're also gonna be traveling to the 1970s, so make sure you bring your afros, your bell bottoms, your dancing shoes, and we'll see you there. It's gonna be amazing.
I might be late. I'm gonna wait here for Chris. Mr. Columbus? Hey! Hey! I packed the lunch! You like poutine? I got sandwiches! Think he's gonna be mad that there's already people here?